He's circling under it. He keeps circling around. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, circling around. It's coming up, coming up, coming up. Keep still. Having a go. Yeah, got it. It's in his mouth.
Pull him in.
He's coming in. Oh my god, he's got. Oh no, let go.
Just having a nibble.
A nibble. Yeah. Yeah, he's coming up again. He's got it again. He's got it again. Give it a pull.
Oh, what am I going to pull? So we'll just take off.
He'll just take off with it.
Yeah, he's coming up under from under. What about my lures?
Yeah, a few. More than one.
None of them are starving, are they? They're not.
He's doing circling again.
Where's the shark music?
Bum, ba-dum, bum.
Oh, but bird.
Oh, this is interesting. There's a bird coming.
Leave it there. Get the bird coming. Oh, big shark.
One set here, one.
Big shark.
Look at these underneath it.
Oh, shark. Yeah. Oh, look at this mother. Donut, donut, donut.
Take away.
Oh, Hollywood. Show off.
Oh, wonderful.
You see that one, Pauline?
Yes, I did.
Show the setup first for the camera.
Ready.
Yeah, don't. Oh, he's right under it, Mark. He's just getting his angle right. He's coming up. He's coming up. He's turning around.
Cheeky giant Stravella.
Here, look, Dad. Oh,
That's a big. Oh.
come back for more, Dumbo. Here, another bite coming up. Oh, God. Yeah, can you see him? See, God.
Rather fish.
Don't hook us with it, Sonny.
Turning around, Mark.
Yeah.
How do I lower this down? How do I lower it down?
Undo the ratchet.
You're just going to... You just lose the lure, Sonny, or in the lines.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Catch that?
I think so.
You go. You didn't do much of a good job.